Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Walgreens how to use cash rewards. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to use cash rewards in app, first what you need to do is simply head over and launch the Walgreens application and be sure to be logged in with your Walgreens account as well. And once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is just simply tap on My Walgreens or Rewards in the bottom menu, and if you don't see it, simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and among the options you'll see an option that says My Walgreens or Rewards. Simply select that, and now you'll see your available cash reward balance, and make sure you have at least $1 to redeem. The next is to browse and add items to your online cart by simply tapping on the shop and save, and here scroll down and add the items that you want. Some items like prescription may not be eligible for rewards redemption, and once done, simply tap on Go to the card option on the top right corner of the screen, and there tap on checkout, and on the payment page you'll see an option that says apply cash rewards. Simply tap on it and your rewards will deduct from your total automatically. Pay the remaining balance with your preferred method, and you'll see the updated total before confirming your order. So without wasting any time, so that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.